Yes, I'm in my bathroom, explorers, because I am packing for a trip and I finally get to use a new gadget that I got. I'm at home, okay? Don't talk about my hair or how I look. But anyway, so my new gadget, I don't even know what this is called. I don't have to look it up, but I got this for my birthday this year from my family. I'm assuming my sister-in-law picked it up because I don't know about the other people, but you never know. My niece could have picked it out too. But it is a fluid container and it makes sure it's under the required amount of fluids, and then it stores it in here. So I'm going to show you how it looks before I fill it up, and we're going to test out on this trip. All right, so before we get into this demonstration on this product, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Hit that button down below and a notification bell right next to it so you're notified when next week's video comes out. Videos come out every week on Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much. Now let's get into this video and this product demonstration. So here is the container. It is in metric system, but hey, this is good enough. You know it's under the 3 fluid ounces. But how it works, so you have each of these items here, and you can turn it around to whatever one you want to open. And then you can actually press this, well, turn this, sorry, not press. So you can turn it to get out each of the individual tubes. So I'm gonna take out each of these tubes and fill it up with something that I need for this trip to make sure it is under the right amount. What you can also see here is that it has a push button. And so with the push button, I'm just gonna put this one back in here for demonstration purposes, if I can get it in here. Okay, here we go. So, as you can see, it turns, you can turn this top part. So you can turn it until it gets to the opening for whatever one you want to use. And with this top on, make sure it's nice and tight. With this top on, you can press it and it'll actually come out. Yes, yes, yes. I'll demonstrate with something actually in it. And I haven't used this before, so this should be a nice little test. And then obviously to close it back up so it doesn't press anything, you turn it to another knob so where it's not gonna press something. So let's fill these tubes up. Let's fill this baby up. Oh, before I do, it also comes with different stickers. So you can label the stickers or label the tubes with whatever you fill it up with. So, okay, now let's fill this baby up. All right, I'm going to fill up each of the 4 tubes. First, I'm gonna start with lotion. Then I'm going to put shampoo in the tube, facial moisturizer, and then finally hair conditioner. And let's see how that works out as I fill up each of the tubes. Whoopsies. Oops. All right, as you can see, I have filled up all 4 of my tubes and they're in here. I have sealed it. Things to note, they had a sticker for one for body lotion and one for moisturizing lotion, which is very cute. I wish I would have seen the moisturizing lotion first, as I would have used that because that's what I use, but it's still lotion. I only have one lotion in here. Also, as you can see, I struggled with the conditioner because the hole is so small, and some stuff is just easier. So like the lotion, where it had a little push knob, it was easier for me to get the lotion into the bottle in comparison to the shampoo and the conditioner because of the way the solution is made, as well as how it was coming out of the other tube. Just a lot going on. The stickers are hard to get on in the exact right spot, so take some time, and it's crooked. All of them are crooked. And also the top part, the top lid here, you have to line it up correctly for it to go on and snap in place. Now I'm going to demonstrate all 4 of them to see if it actually comes out of the tube. All right, to keep in mind here, the first time you use it, you're going to have to pump up each fluid up the spout of each container in order to get it out, but after that it's very easy to use each time. So now I'm going to pack in my luggage. I'm taking a flight. So go check out my videos about my first flight during a pandemic. But I'm doing a carry-on bag. And so in my carry-on bag, I will have each of these tubes are under 3 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna still put it in a plastic baggie just in case it's not sturdy and durable. But we're gonna see how it works during my trip. I would be interested to see how it is if I had to check my bag, but since I'm not checking my bag, I won't know for a while. But we'll at least see how it stands the test of time of getting bumped and banged and jungled around at the airport. So just to let you know, here is my filled up container, and I'm going to put it in this baggie just in case it doesn't hold up well. So I'm gonna zip it up. All right, I am back home in my bathroom where I began with the review of this gadget thing, whatever. I'm going to ask where she got this from. But as you can see, it did not bust open. That is excellent news. Did not bust open. It worked very well. The only issue is that when I went through TSA, which is our security system here in the United States, to go through the airport, it triggered in Atlanta. And I think they thought that like this was all one container of liquid. So I had to demonstrate it to TSA and show them that they could take it out. So that was very annoying. And I was so disturbed because I'm like, now it's contaminated, even though it looks like they've changed their gloves after they go through anyone's bag, but that was annoying. But other than that, it held up in a carry-on. So next time I'll have to check my bag and see if it will bust open in there or not. But I hope you enjoyed this review of this product. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Ooh. And also don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks so they can see the demonstration of this wonderful product as well. And you know what? Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are.